5 supplements in your cabinet are draining your wallet and doing nothing for your body, but 5 others work so well that most doctors quietly take them themselves. Same health goals, same pharmacy shelf, completely different results. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones to throw out and which ones to keep. Starting with the worst. Worst number 5, calcium carbonate, the single most purchased supplement by seniors in America. And for most people over 60, it is the wrong choice. Brands like Caltrate, Oxide, and Tums all use calcium carbonate because it is dirt cheap. The raw cost is about 2 cents per tablet. It is literally ground up limestone. Here is the problem. Calcium carbonate needs strong stomach acid to break down. After age 50, your stomach acid drops by roughly 40%. By 65, some people produce less than half the acid they had at 30. So every time you swallow a Caltrate tablet, your body is trying to dissolve a rock with a weakened engine. Studies show that seniors absorb as little as 22% of calcium carbonate on an empty stomach. A 500 milligram tablet gives you roughly 110 milligrams of usable calcium. But the label says 500, and that is the number you trust. Big number on the label, small number in your blood. That is the business model. Worst number 4, magnesium oxide. Brands like Nature Made, Spring Valley, and most store brands all use this form. Your body absorbs roughly 4% of magnesium oxide. 4%. A 400 milligram tablet delivers about 16 milligrams of usable magnesium. To put that in perspective, a handful of pumpkin seeds gives you more usable magnesium than an entire bottle of Spring Valley. Magnesium oxide does in a month. Why does every brand use it? Because it is the cheapest form to make. It costs manufacturers less than $1.20 per 500 count bottle. It also lets them print the highest number on the label. 400 milligrams looks impressive, but 4% of 400 is 16, and 16 milligrams will not help your sleep, your cramps, or your heart rhythm. If you are taking magnesium oxide for any reason, you are funding a very expensive placebo. Those two are mild compared to what is coming. The next 3 worst supplements are not just useless. They could be working against you. But first, quick question. Go check your magnesium bottle right now. Does it say oxide or something else? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how many of you have the wrong one. Worst number 3, synthetic vitamin E. On the label, it is listed as plastides, DL-alpha tocopherol. That little DL at the start tells you everything. It means the vitamin E was made from petroleum, not plants. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that your body holds onto natural vitamin E at roughly twice the rate of the synthetic version. Your liver sees the synthetic form and actively tries to flush it out. Brands like Spring Valley, Sundown, and most store-brand vitamin E all use the synthetic form because it costs about 60 cents per bottle to produce. They sell it for $8, but the price is not the scandal. The scandal is that this form has shown no heart benefit in major studies and may cause harm at high doses. A supplement meant to protect you might be doing the opposite. Worst number 2, folic acid. This one is dangerous because it sounds identical to the nutrient your body needs. Folic acid is the synthetic version of folate. Before your body can use it, it has to convert folic acid through an enzyme called MTHFR. Here is the problem. About 40% of people carry a gene change that slows this conversion down. 40%. That is not rare. That is nearly half the population. For those people, unused folic acid builds up in the bloodstream. Published research has linked this buildup to weaker immune function in older adults. Nature Made, Centrum, and most store brands all use folic acid because it costs less than a penny per tablet. You are taking a supplement to improve your health, and for nearly half the people swallowing it, it may be quietly doing the opposite. The worst supplement a senior can buy right now. Number 1. Cyanocobalamin B12. This is the most common form of B12 on the market. Centrum, Nature Made, 1 a day, Kirkland, they all use it. Your stomach needs 2 things to absorb cyanocobalamin: intrinsic factor and strong acid. After age 60, up to 30% of adults develop a condition that reduces both. The result is a B12 pill that passes straight through you. Meanwhile, you assume your levels are fine. You never get tested. And slowly, over years, a hidden B12 shortage develops. Fatigue, brain fog, tingling in your hands, unsteady balance, symptoms that get blamed on aging when they are really caused by a deficiency that your supplement was supposed to prevent but never did. That is the worst 5. Right now, millions of seniors have every one of these sitting in their medicine cabinet, swallowing them every morning, believing they are doing something. They are not, but here is what I promised. For every single one of those failures, there is a direct swap. Same health goal, same shelf, sometimes cheaper, 5 for 5. Here they are. Best number 5, calcium citrate, the direct swap for calcium carbonate. Brands like Citricol and Solgar use this form. Calcium citrate does not need stomach acid to absorb. Studies show it works regardless of your acid levels. The tablet is smaller, usually 250 milligrams instead of 500, but 250 milligrams absorbed is worth far more than 500 milligrams ignored. A bottle of Citricol costs about $12 for 60 days. That is $2 more per month than Caltrate. 7 cents per day for calcium your body can actually use. Best number 4, magnesium glycinate. This is magnesium bonded to an amino acid called glycine. Brands like Doctor's Best, Pure Encapsulations, and Now Foods sell this form. Absorption rates are above 80% compared to 4% for Oxide. A 200 milligram capsule of magnesium glycinate delivers more usable magnesium than 5 400 milligram tablets of Oxide. 5 tablets versus 1 capsule. Glycine also has a natural calming effect, which is why this form works especially well for sleep. A 60-day supply costs $13 to $18. The difference from Oxide is about $1.50 per month. The absorption difference is 20-fold. Best number 3, natural mixed tocopherols vitamin E. Not just one type of vitamin E, but 4. Alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Your body uses all 4. A supplement with only alpha is like eating one food group and calling it a balanced diet. Look for brands like Now Foods, Full Spectrum Vitamin E, or Jarrow formulas. A 60-day supply runs $14 to $18. The synthetic version costs $8 for 6 months, but your liver rejects the synthetic form. 15 cents per day more for a version your body actually keeps. Your liver will thank you. Notice the pattern? Every single swap costs pennies more per day. 7 cents for calcium, $1.50 per month for magnesium, 15 cents for vitamin E. The supplement industry is counting on you comparing bottle prices instead of absorption rates. Stop comparing stickers. Start comparing what your body actually receives. Best number 2, methylfolate, also called L5-MTHF on the label. Brands like Jarrow Formulas, Thorne, and Life Extension use this form. This is the active version of folate that skips the conversion step entirely. It works for 100% of the population, not 60%. 100. A 60-day supply from Jarrow costs $10 to $14. Folic acid costs $5. The difference is less than a dime per day. One works for everyone. The other fails 40% of the people who take it. That math is simple, and the best supplement a senior can buy right now. Number 1. Methylcobalamin B12, taken under the tongue. Sublingual means it dissolves under your tongue and goes straight into your bloodstream. It skips the stomach completely. No acid needed, no conversion needed, no guessing. Brands like Jarrow Formulas, Methyl B12, and Thorne B12 use this form. A 60-day supply costs $14. Cyanocobalamin costs $7. The difference is 12 cents per day. 12 cents to guarantee the B12 reaches your blood instead of passing through your body like it was never there. That is the #1 best supplement on this list because it fixes the #1 worst problem, the silent B12 shortage that millions of seniors do not know they have because a cheap pill told them they were covered. 5 worst. 5 worst, 5 best. Same health goals, same pharmacy shelf. The only difference is which bottle you pick up. And now you know. Go to your medicine cabinet right now. Flip every bottle. Calcium carbonate or citrate, magnesium oxide or glycinate, cyanocobalamin or methylcobalamin. The answers are right there on the label. Drop your full supplement list in the comments below, and I will personally tell you which ones to keep and which ones to swap. Every single comment. I am reading them all, and if you missed the first 2 videos in this series, the links are in the description. Watch those next.